Then third point is coordination number of central metal ion. Here the coordination number of metal ion in the complex is the number of ligand donor atom directly attached to it, or the number of electron pair involved in the coordinate bond. For example, CONH3 4 Cl2 plus. Here 4 ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions, that is total 6 ligands are attached to the cobalt ion. All these are monodentate since each has only one donor atom. There are 6 donor atoms in the complex. Therefore, the coordination number of CO plus the ion is in the complex is 6. Thus, coordination number of the metal ion attached to the monodentate ligands is equal to the number of ligands bound to it. Consider a bidentate ligands, oxalate C2O4 minus 2 or ethylene diamine EN. The complex FeC2O4 minus 3 and COEN thrice plus 3 have 3 bidentate ligands each. The total donor atom in 3 ligands is 6, and the coordination number of Fe and CO plus 3 in this complex is 6. So this is the coordination number of the central metal ion. Then fourth point is double salt and coordination complex. Combination of two or more stable compounds in stoichiometric ratio can given two types of substances, namely double salt and coordination complex. First, double salt. Double salt dissociates in water completely into a simple ions. For example, more salt, that is FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2O dissociated in water to form FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2O undergo dissociation with water to form Fe plus 2 plus 2NH4 plus SO4 minus 2. All are in aqueous media. Then second one example is carnallite, KCl MgCl2 plus 6H2O, which are also completely dissociated in water to form a simple ions KCl plus MgCl2 plus 6H2O undergo dissociation to form K plus Mg plus 2 and 3 Cl minus. All are in aqueous media. This is double salt. Then next, coordination complexes. Coordination complexes. A coordination complex dissociated in water with at least one complex ion. For example, K4FeCN6 dissociated as complex ion and counter ion. Then K4FeCN6 gives after dissociation 4K plus, this is counter ions, and complex ion is FeCN6 plus 4. This is coordination complex. Next, last point, Werner's theory of coordination complex. The first attempt to explain nature of bonding in coordination compounds was put forth by Werner. The postulates of Werner theory are as follows. First postulate, unlike metal salts, the metal in a complex possesses two types of valencies. First, primary valency, which is ionizable valency, and second, secondary valency, which is non-ionizable valency. Second postulate, the ionizable sphere consists of the entities which satisfy the primary valency of the metal. Primary valency are generally satisfied by anion. Third postulate, the secondary coordination sphere consists of entities which satisfy the secondary valency and are non-ionizable. The secondary valency for the metal ion are fixed and satisfied by either anion or neutral ligands. Number of secondary valencies is equal to the coordination number. Then fourth postulate, the secondary valency have a fixed spatial arrangement around the metal ions. Two sphere attraction in the complexes are shown in the figure. The coordination complexes, this is secondary sphere CONH36 and Cl2 is ionizable, that is primary sphere. A complex with coordination number 6 has octahedral structure. When 4 coordinating groups are attached to the metal ion, the complex would either be with square planar or tetrahedral structure. These are the 5 terms which are used in coordination chemistry. Coordination sphere, charge number of the complex ion and oxidation state of the metal, coordination number of the central metal, double salt coordination complex, and Werner's theory of the complex. The next one is classification of the complex. Classification complex of the coordination complexes, which are according to its type of the ligands and sign of the charge on the complex ions. First, classification which is based on the types of ligands. There are two types, homoleptic complex and heteroleptic complex. And classification on the basis of charge on the complex, cationic complex, anionic complex and neutral sphere complexes. The first is homoleptic complexes. Consider a CONH3 6 plus 3. Here only one type of ligand surrounds the CO plus 3 ions. The complexes in which the metal ion is bounded to only one type of the ligands are homoleptic. Heteroleptic complexes, look at the complexes CONH3 4 Cl2 plus. In this example, there are two types of ligands NH3 and Cl- attached to the CO plus 3 ions. Surround such complexes in which metal ion is surrounded by more than the one type of the ligands is called as a heteroleptic ligands. Then classification based on the charge on the complex. These are three types: cationic complexes, then anionic complexes and neutral sphere complexes. Cationic, they having positively charged coordination sphere. Their example ZnNH3 4 plus 2. Anionic complexes, complex having negatively charged coordination sphere NiCN4 minus 2, and neutral sphere complexes, the complex having neither cation nor anion, but they are neutral sphere complexes. Platinum NH3 twice Cl2 and NiCO4. These are the example of neutral sphere complexes. And this is the classification of complexes. These two